Today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, what the heck is happening right now in the markets? I mean, just go into the charts, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum. Something weird is going on, something crazy is going on, and I want to talk about it. I want to break it down for you. Talk about my trades I am having open right now over on Bybit, on Levex and so on. I will talk about my price targets and exactly what my game plan is right now and how we should understand this move, because this is very important. Let me quickly go into it here. And I don't know if you have seen it, but just a few hours ago over on Twitter, I posted that the Ethereum 4-hour head and shoulders is pending. That was literally 7 hours ago. Look at this. Exactly, we hit it. Like, literally 2 candles later, we went exactly to my price target. Pretty crazy, and this post is going viral right now over on Twitter. If you follow me, if you don't follow me there, make sure you follow me at MMCrypto. We almost at 1.8 million followers already, so make sure you follow me, where I'm posting these setups over on Twitter completely for free, over on Levex, link in the pinned comment, completely for free. But now the most important thing is, how can we understand that? Will we go higher? Is this the beginning of something bigger? Well, first of all, it's Friday, the weekend is coming, but let's remember the weekend has been quite good to us, at least more often than not within the summer, right? Things have shifted a little bit, but anyways, this head and shoulders is completed. If you made significant profits on that, congratulations to you. I want to talk about Ethereum, I want to talk about Bitcoin, I want to talk about my trades as well. Just quickly showing you, these trades are obviously still open. The Ethereum trade just shot back up to $1.2 million in a profit. The ENA trade still like $200,000 in a profit. XRP trade $1.5 million in a profit. Tron almost $500,000 in a profit. The Bitcoin trade 125 Bitcoin in a profit, meaning $14.5 million, and the Solana trade back at almost $500,000 in a profit. Well, sometimes people are asking me, Chris, why are you so silent when the price is going sideways down? If there is nothing to say, why should I make noise? All my predictions still stand, right? And now that we are going into that predicted direction, still be careful, guys, right? Nothing is confirmed yet. We can evaluate, so what is going to happen right now? Well, this big 5-year pattern, it's still in breakout mode. We are still above, and now this weekly candle just turned bullish again on us, right? So this is something we have to remember if we want to talk about price targets, not even talking about the measured move price target of that pattern here, because that is just far too much away from us. The first target of the 1.272 is already reached, as you know, up to the exact dollar. We reached it earlier, you can see it here, but the 1.618 is still impending. $5,600 for Ethereum. Now for Bitcoin, that is the question, dear ladies and gentlemen. And I want to remind you, if you get any value from these free videos, which I am posting literally since like 8 years or so, all I'm asking for, click the freaking like button, press subscribe, and join us here, join the MMCrypto family on this long ride from Bitcoin, starting at $1,000 when we started the channel, all the way up to hopefully $10 million. Now let's talk about the prices, right? Well, if we are going over to the weekly for Bitcoin, here for Bitcoin, I would personally quote 2 different price targets. And the first one is the more important one, as it's the more close one. And if I am pulling this one here from the bottom to the top, you can see we already reached the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. But what you can see is we are still kind of, it's not so perfect, but we're still kind of here in breakout mode, which it's not confirmed yet. The weekend is coming, so of course be a little bit careful. But if this break would be successful, we would actually be looking at 130 to 132,000 dollars, give or take, rather 130 than 132,000 dollars for Bitcoin as the next price target, whereas for Ethereum it's 5,600 dollars. I am going to publish soon my top 10 list for altcoins. If we are confirming these breakouts, and yes, it is not confirmed yet, but if we are confirming, then I am going to publish it over on YouTube, over on Twitter, over on Levex, and the very first I am going to publish it over on Levex also. So make sure you click the link down below. You can sign up and find my exclusive content completely for free there as well. Thank you so much for watching, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are going to see each other very soon in the next top. I'm Crypto as always, guys. As always, bye.